Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable activating a Chase card after receiving it. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Chase card after receiving it, start by locating the activation sticker on the front of the card. This sticker will typically have a phone number and an instruction to call. Grab your mobile phone and dial the number provided on the sticker. Once connected, you will be greeted by an automated system. Follow the prompts to select the option for card activation. You may be asked to enter your card number. Carefully input your 16-digit card number using the phone keypad. The system might request additional information for verification. Be prepared to provide your social security number or zip code. After successfully verifying your identity, the system will confirm that your card is activated. If you prefer to activate your card online, open your web browser and visit the Chase web. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, find the option for card activation on your account dashboard. Click on this option, and you'll be prompted to enter your card information. Input your card number, expiration date, and any other required details. After submitting the information, wait for a confirmation message indicating your card has been activated. If you encounter any issues, you can reach out to Chase customer service for assistance. Keep your card safe and start using it for your purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.